He did say bye.
He said bye. Yeah, he's waving.
That is a big box. That thing is heavy. No. You have a more package to open.
Yo, what's up? So, y'all saw that, right? So I'm geeked. I'm almost home, and I'm about to share this new package with you guys, man. So, man, y'all hold tight. I'll get us home, man. As you can see, I don't know if this phone really tells, man, but it's dark out this jump. Working 10-hour shifts. It's dark, man. It just sucks. But it is what it is, you know what I mean? Gotta get that money for these toys, right? So, man, y'all hold tight. I'm about to get up in this jump and show you what we got. All right, man. Hold tight. So, I can't wait to get in this jump, boy. Oh, snaps. Back this thing up, man. Get this thing downstairs. All right, so here we are. All right, now let me think. What we had? They had that other unboxing, right? I said that was the last unboxing for 2020, right? I'm gonna tell you the truth. I wasn't expecting this joint to come that fast. So let's go ahead and get that open, baby. All right. Like it's packaged real nice. So happy with that. It's better than the last time I got a package, right? It was all busted open and everything. Oh, this came DHL. So shout outs to DHL. I'd never hear enough of that on the YouTube channels. DHL is the truth. Y'all need to teach all these other shipping companies something, because y'all Bahamas are the truth. Because I'll tell you how fast this came to me in a minute. Because I couldn't believe. I mean, I ordered this. What was it? Sunday, and here it is Wednesday, and it's here. Like I said, I was not expecting it to show up this fast, for sure. But I'll definitely take it. All right, we'll definitely take it. Uh-oh, what is that? All right, y'all know what that is. You can tell by the gold anodized shock tires, right? And Cardinal Racing. All right, guys. This is the RR5 Max Pro, right? Similar to the XR5 Max Pro. And y'all see that 5T too. I'm gonna get that back out there for you. All right, so RR5 Max Pro, man. I am in love with MCD. I'm gonna tell you the truth, and we're gonna be taking this bad boy racing. So no big bores on this. I know you guys gonna be mad at me, but there's gonna be no big bores on this. It's gonna be straight up race driven. All right. So let's get this out the box and show you what it looks like, man. I can't wait, that's for sure. Now, this is one thing I gotta say is cool. It actually comes with a whole another set of arms. That's wild. I don't think I've ever seen that before. It comes with a whole nother set of arms. Right, so this is the arms and the heat deflector. And it looks like we got some gaskets, the top spark plug protector. in this bag. All right, with this bag, we got the, looks like the wing and the wing mounts. This bag, we got some, looks like some body mounts, antenna, nice pills, nice wheel wrench, a couple servo like reducers, so you can use some smaller servos in there. A couple body tethers. We got a throttle linkage. All right. And then over here we got the manual, instruction manual. We got our stickers. All right, looks like a hood scoop of some kind, something along those lines. And let's get on to the car. All right, now before we get to this car, I also want to give another shout out to my wife. Tomorrow is our anniversary, December 31st. We've been together for 12 years. It's crazy, man. You know, it's crazy how time goes by. But I love you, Tiff, once again. Like I said, you know, I hope your birthday was good on the 25th of December. I hope Christmas is all good. The babies had a good time. Actually, I'll say the babies. My daughter is 12 and my son is 3. So they had a good time. But it's our day tomorrow. December 31st, New Year's Eve. 12 years in the making. And we're gonna keep going strong, right? All right, love you, Tiff. All right, back to the car. All right, MCD RR5 Max Pro. This is the extended chassis, right? Comes with the Barracuda exhaust. Now, looking at this thing, if it wasn't for this Barracuda exhaust that wraps around and dumps on the left side, if it had another type of pipe on here, this thing would look just like a nitro. I mean, it looks exactly like X-Ray over there. Actually, it's up there. I mean, just the layout of it. I mean, you got one body pin here for quick release. It's light. It's crazy light. Nice thick aluminum shock towers. I love I love these springs that actually hold the weight of the vehicle. We sold these on the XR5 Max Pro unboxing. The wheels are nice. I like this tread design. It will have some nice bite on it. Now you do have to glue these tires, so I gotta remember to do that. Actually, I just gotta do it. You know what I mean? Now, like I said, I'm not going big bore in this. This is gonna be a racer. You know what I mean? It's not gonna be a bash. It's gonna be a straight racer. Not sure size, maybe 32, maybe a 30 and a half. Not sure yet. But it's gonna be sick though. So let's take this lid off and see what it looks like on the inside. All right, here we are with the top off. Once again, Cardinal Racing. My man, like I said, I know I'm tearing your name up. It's my hair, Bucidra. You know, he set me up. Gave me excellent service. Shipped it from Canada to my door in Maryland. Like I said, I ordered on Sunday. And here it is Wednesday, and it was at my door around 11 o'clock this morning or something like that. Thank you. Shout outs to you, Cardinal Racing. Right? Big shout outs to you. All right. And let's look at the rest of this car. Right? So this thing looks, I'm not gonna lie, this thing looks identical to the XR5. I mean, in every aspect. So I'm really not gonna go that deep into this, but I just want to give just a quick, just look at the chassis and everything. But because if you really want to see this, basically the XR5 is the exact same thing. You just look back in one of my earlier videos. I'll post a link down the bottom for the XR5 video. But under the chassis, these things are pretty much the same. Under the body, these things are pretty much the same from what I see. And then here's the air filter setup. All right, let's get this over here with the rest of the parts. So like I said, because of the Barracuda exhaust, the chassis has been elongated, just like the XR5. everything looks the same, really. I mean, it really does look the same. I really can't see anything that's different with this thing. And it's got the dual steering, push-pull steering, which I will probably be using a single servo here. It has the monster servo you can put here. Like I said, I'll probably be doing just one. I'm not sure if I'll have the added brake servo here yet. We'll see how it runs. But you see the disc brakes. Everything turns so smooth. Like I said, I gotta figure out what the diffs are and all that good stuff. But I think I'm pretty much gonna race this right out the box. I'm gonna throw a 30.5 or 32 or something like that along those lines inside here. I'm gonna take this thing out. This ain't gonna be a long video too. Just gonna be a quick little overview. Like I said, once again, don't forget, glue the tires. TYRE. That's that Canadian and European type flair right there. Right? Like I said, everything pretty much looks the same as my XR5 as far as I can tell. I said, one thing I love about this is the angles on the dog bones. There's not no craziness going on here. It's a little slight, slight little kick. That's probably like what? Maybe 20 degrees on there. In the front, probably something similar, about 20 degrees or so. All right, got the bell, clutch bell on there. I said I might get the cooling clutch bell for that. But like I said, little subtle things. I'm not really doing too much to change this thing. It's just, I gotta get it in my not in my head. It's not gonna be a basher. It's gonna be a competitor. All right. So think about, put it in the comments below. Let me know what you think about body wise. What should I do with that body? This now, I know some guys are questioning and wondering what I'm going to do with the Losi. All right. I'm gonna first off, I'm gonna have like a little comparison video between the two. But I'm thinking I'm gonna get rid of the Losi. I ain't gonna lie. So Losi is probably gonna be getting up out of here. I had a couple guys interested in it, so Losi's probably gone. The 5B. And this will definitely be taking its place if it does go. If not, I might throw a 65 in a Losi or something like that and just bash with Losi. If I do, I don't know. I haven't decided yet, but I do know what this is going to be. It's going to be a straight competitor. All right. So my man Rob, Empire RC, watch out. I'm coming. You know what I mean? I want to come see you, brother, up there in upstate. Well, you're not really upstate, but you're in New York, so I call that upstate. All of New York is upstate to me. But I'm going to come up there. I'm going to bring this beast up there. Once I get this all situated, once I find out what I want to do engine-wise, come up there. I want to meet you. Like I said, Empire RC. Check him out on YouTube. He has a vicious channel. He's going through his trials and tribulations of racing also. He's just now getting into it. Check out his channel, Empire RC. All right. Everybody else, y'all stay tuned and see you in the next video. Out.